Good day everyone, I am Patrick Christian Ligdao, and today I will be presenting my project scenario titled Creating a Contact Organizer Using Binary Search Tree and C++ Structs. So in the next slide, here is my table of contents in PowerPoint presentation. So in the introduction slide, in both academic and professional settings, people manage many contacts, students, professors, and group mates. However, these contacts are usually stored without order, making it hard to find or update them. To solve this, I developed a simple C++ program that uses a binary search tree or BST. To organize contact information, this helps users search, sort, and manage contacts quickly and efficiently. Slide 2. Binary Search Tree Structure. In this project, each contact name is stored inside the binary search tree node. Names that come before alphabetically go to the left, and names that come after go to the right. I use two C++ structures. The contact struct stores the name and phone number. The node structs holds and contact data and connects to the left and right children. This setup allows for organized insertion and quick searching. The program is recursive, meaning it calls functions within themselves to handle operations like inserting and searching. Slide 3. As you can see, here are the functions. The program uses three functions, all written using lambda expressions in C++. So number 1, insert node. This function places a new contact in the correct position in the BST. It prevents duplicates and ensures the tree remains sorted. Number 2, search node. This allows users to search for a contact by name. If the contact exists, the name and number are displayed, and if not, it shows contact not found. And number 3, display contacts. Display contacts prints all contact names in alphabetical order using an in-order transversal of the tree. Slide 4. Input validation. To make the program safe and user-friendly, I added input validation. So here, if the name or numbers are empty, invalid input. Please enter complete contact information. If the contact already exists, contact already exists. If no contact has been saved yet, no contact saved yet. And if the number doesn't start with 09, the program displays invalid number, put 09 or change to 09. So the contact numbers must start with 09. In slide 5, as you can see, here are the sample contacts. I tested the program with 5 contacts: Anna, Carla, Ben, Dave, and Ethan, all with valid numbers starting with 09. The program correctly organized them alphabetically. When I searched them for Ben, his number appeared. When I searched for a name that is not in the list, the program showed the correct error message. This shows that the insert, search, and validation functions are working as expected. So in this slide, conclusion. In a conclusion, this project demonstrates how data can be efficiently managed using a binary search tree in C++. It also highlights how simple tools like struct, recursion, and lambda expressions can be used to solve real-life problems like contact management. This project is practical, easy to use, and a great example of how basic programming logic can be applied to everyday axes or tasks. In this slide, here are my source code. The source code starts by including necessary libraries like iOS Trim, String, and Functional. Two structs are defined: contact, which stores a name, number, and node, which forms each part of the binary search tree, holding a contact and two child pointers, left and right. A helper function is valid number. Check if a phone number starts with 09. This ensures only valid contact numbers are accepted. Inside the main function, several lambda functions are declared. So here the first function, create node. Create a new node with a contact's details. In insert node, adds a new contact into the tree based on a alphabetical order. If the contact already exists, it shows a message. Search node looks for a contact by name and displays the name and number if found, or a message if not. Display contacts uses in order transversal to show all contact names in alphabetical order. The program runs inside a while or true loop, while loop in search short term. Acting as a menu system, it lets the user add a contact with validation for empty input, duplicates, and in number format. Search for a contact by name. Display all contact names, then exit the program. User input is handled with cin and get line, and validation messages are shown for missing or incorrect input. Each valid contact is stored in the binary search tree, allowing for fast and organized searching and viewing.